Hi everybody, this is Shauna with Love Meets Cake. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Crown Royal green apple pop rock berries. Say that 10 times fast and let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it poppin' with the ingredients. So we're going to be using white chocolate, some strawberries that have been washed and dried thoroughly, pipettes, and I will include a link in the description bar where you can purchase these, some optional green apple candy flavoring, heavy emphasis on the optional, some Crown Royal apple, and green apple pop rocks. So first what we're going to do is put our white chocolate into a microwave bowl and microwave that on 30-second intervals until it's melted. And we're going to pour in a teaspoon of the optional green apple candy flavoring. And the reason why I say optional is because it's really not needed. I just wanted to see what the flavor enhancement was going to do. The green apple pop rocks and the Crown Royal apple gives you enough of that green apple flavor to where you really didn't have to add in any more. Now another reason why I don't like it is because as you behold with your eyeballs, what the flavoring did to my chocolate is it thickened up my chocolate, so I had to thin it back out. And the way that you want to thin your chocolate back out is by adding a spoon of coconut oil or shortening and then putting it back in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now, I kept it a mystery what I used to thin it out, because in other videos when I used coconut oil, a couple people were like, why are you using coconut oil? And then when I switched to Crisco, a couple people were like, why are you using Crisco? And you know, in this video, I just didn't feel like being shamed, so I kept it a secret. You'll never know. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I digress. Let's get back to what we're doing. So as you can see, there's really no real technique to this. You're just dipping the berry into the chocolate and then you're pouring the pop rocks over the berry into the separate little bowl. And that's it. That's it. We're not going for beauty on this, okay? These are not beauty berries. These are effect berries. Because you're going for the effect. You want that pop, 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 popping in your mouth. And then you want that burst, the alcohol, that burst. Okay, that burst. Okay, now the way that you fill up your pipette, as you can behold with your eyeballs, I'm squeezing it, dipping it into the alcohol, and then releasing with my fingers so it sucks up the alcohol. Now FYI, the alcohol does not leak out of these until you re-squeeze them, so you don't have to worry about them leaking out into your berry. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take our pipette and you're going to cram it. Cram it. Psych, you're going to lovingly insert it into the neck. I got problems. I'm sorry. Told you it was going to be quick and easy. We are all done. And I left off the original volume so you can't hear it, but these berries are snap, crackle, and popping. If you are making this for a party, I would make this the same day of the party because the berries are going to make that crackle noise for a few hours. Also, pop rocks come in so many different flavors, so you can get creative with your concoctions. Like they come in strawberry, cotton candy, blue raspberry, and also you can try different alcohols like red berry Ciroc is a super good one too. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Until next time, whoop whoop!